Hey y'all. So y'all probably think I got on a headband. I don't. This is my wig gripper. Gripping that wig back. My wig just fell off. Oh my god. It's a hard not lie. You can see this is where I have the scar away, and I used my Pro Concealer on top of the lace, and then I put on the scar away. My hair is still wet, so I didn't want to wet my clothes. I got my wig gripper on, and that's how it's looking, like a natural sculpt. And I didn't even look at this baby. I did a photo shoot in this. It's so gorgeous. Like when you wet the hair, it makes a large difference. So first, I'm gonna put the hair on to make sure it's to my liking with the size and everything, since I'm gonna have to glue it. This is the corner. I'll get my corners. I have a morning flight, y'all. Pray for me. Okay. And I cover it just like that. That's how it should look. Take my teeth at the back. This shit is so fire right now. So now I'm just moving my hair out of the way because I don't want to get any glue on it. Oh, and this is the, well, not glue, but got to be glued. And I have the black bottle. I kept getting mixed reviews about this, so I heard this was better. So I'm just putting it on my head. I'm not trying to get this shit on my edges. I love my baby hair, so it's gonna. Just a word of advice: you should use 2 layers. So I'm gonna go over this twice. If there's any additional glue, you could just use some alcohol to take it off. I'm gonna blow dry the glue until it's like a tacky, sticky kind of residue. It didn't stick how I want it here, so I'm gonna have to go back in and do this one over. Alright, so now I'm just going to do it one at a time. I'm going to go back in on the parts that I missed and do this over. Alright, y'all, so I legit laid my lace. I just finished poking at it, making sure it was laid. I used this, just a Q-tip and alcohol to clean off the excess gel. I'm just gonna put it back on my face. I was just playing with it. I haven't really committed to this yet. Alright, you guys, so I have not put glue on it yet. I'm just playing around with it. It's my birthday, you guys, in 2 days. I'm legit going to Cali. And look at me, up so late when I should be sleeping. Being loyal to you guys. So I just put like literally a dime size little sign. Not too much. I can't wait to wash this hair in the morning. I'm legit going to do like a wash and go. When I tell y'all I didn't turn into a new bitch, it's like, who took over this channel? New bitch. Oh my goodness. And I also took a photo shoot in this hair once it dried. I don't know what it was about the photo shoot and the lights, but it was like really dry. My hair was really big, but for some reason it still looked so good. And I'm going to insert the pictures in here. And yeah, I'm going to post this as soon as I get off vacation because I need to enjoy my vacation. Even though I want to post it in here for you guys so badly. I also don't have my photo shoot images yet anyway. So yeah, you'll get it when I get back home. Thanks for tuning in. I am so sorry, you guys. I have a flight in like 4 hours right now. And I just really need to get my hair done. And I'm like, well, why don't I show them this is my first lace front, and I refuse to let anybody do my hair at all. So yeah, this is it for me. Yeah, so like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I'm pretty sure I taught you something new if you didn't know before, because this is an amazing method. And again, I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer and just hide it out, you know, and just keep. I think I just want my baby hair here and here, just to, you know, like tone it down. I don't want too much like waves full of baby hair, but this is perfect to me. I'm so satisfied with this look and I love it. If you want to see how it looks with the baby hair before I make my commitment, this is how it looks. This is how the hair looks. Oh my god. Tiara Hill. She moved. She moved. She out of state. I don't know where she went, but she gone. Look, sis. Get in the habit of doing this on your own, okay? You need me? I'm gonna be here for you. But otherwise, I'm not doing nobody. Again, like, comment, subscribe. We will see you guys in 1 week when we get back from Cali. Love you.